Everyone is buying the dip, but are they buying Bitcoin BTC? Many retail Bitcoin BTCers bought the dip amid this week's crypto market bloodbath, with on-chain data showing the small guys have accumulated an additional 12,000 BTC in the last month. Analyst William Clemente III shared data compiled by on-chain analytics provider Glassnode showing that the number of entities holding between 0.01 and 0.1 BTC surged as BTC's price dropped. This is awesome. Plebs stacked harder than ever during this dip. Pic.twitter.com KPXPI0XLS5. William Clemente III, at Clemente, May 20, 2021. Crypto market data aggregator Cryptoquant meanwhile shared data showing a net outflow of roughly 4,000 BTC, approximately $163 million, from centralized exchanges. Net outflows to centralized exchanges are typically inferred to suggest coins are being moved into secure storage after being accumulated, while net inflows suggest coins are being moved out of cold storage to be sold on exchanges. The weekly net flow suggests this shift from selling to buying occurred only in the last 2 days. $BTC net flow across all exchanges became negative. Chart https://t.co/e67xldx6d pic.twitter.com and pj0cycluo. Cryptoquant.com, at Cryptoquant.com, May 20, 2021. Chainalysis chief economist Philip Gradwell noted that whales with at least 1,000 BTC accumulated after 2017 had bought 34,000 BTC between May 18 and 19, suggesting many of these whales believed the bottom had hit or was near. Clemente III also noted a massive spike in OTC Bitcoin (BTC) outflow since May 18, which he believes evidences significant buying from institutions or high-net-worth individuals. Morgan Creek Capital Management founder and CEO Mark Yusko shared Clemente II's tweet, hinting that now is not the time to panic sell. Remember, before you hit the panic sell button, there is always a buyer on the other side. Ask yourself, what do they know that I might not? Muskowski Capital Chief Investment Officer Lex Muskowski also believes many investors are now buying, tweeting, $5.28 billion of stablecoins were deposited to exchanges in 24H. This is absolute F. Even bigger than pre-Tesla announcement move. Lots of people bought the dip. Binance founder Changpeng Zhao, or CZ, similarly noted recently surging stablecoin inflows alongside BTC and various ERC20 tokens in a podcast interview this week with Scott Melker, aka the Wolf of All Streets. However, CZ did not mention seeing ETH inflows. Digital asset manager 2 Prime's director of strategy, Arash Ghimi, asserted that while Binance saw its biggest BTC inflow ever, ETH outflows were growing at a similar rate. He concluded that people are rotating out of BTC into ETH, which is why ETH-BTC held up during the pullback. On the largest day of number BTC inflows to Binance ever, $ETH posts its second largest outflow day ever. ETH continues to leave exchanges as BTC inflows to exchanges accelerate. Explanation: people are rotating out of BTC into ETH, which is why ETH-BTC held up during the pullback. Pic.twitter.com Wikibikism. Ash, at Invest in Digital, May 18, 2021. Crypto trader Cuban also noted the mass ETH outflow, with $1.3 billion in digital assets leaving centralized exchanges over a 5-hour period on May 19.